I chose a movie about the multiverse, but what if I told you it was actually real? This is one of the most debated topics of all time. Are there other universes? Well, let's find out. Right here, I have a coin, and I'm gonna flip it. Now, I don't know which side it landed on. That's where we begin with Schrödinger's equation. This is Schrödinger's equation. Now, I know this equation may look a little confusing, so let's break it down. Schrödinger's equation is the heart of quantum mechanics. The equation gives us something called probability amplitude, which is a part of the wave function, an object that gives us all possible states of a particle. All the other possibilities, they happen in a mathematical landscape known as the Hilbert space. From that, I know I'll flip a heads in one universe and flip a tails in another. But why do we only see one outcome? Let's look back at the coin example. Why do I either only see heads or only see tails? Quantum decoherence is crucial in the idea of many universes. We already know that the central wave function changes into a superposition of state, but instead of the wave function collapsing into one outcome, all the other non-interacting states drift off into the Hilbert space, which is why we only see one outcome. I have two colored balls here, a red one and a blue one. Let me shuffle them real quick.
One eternity later.
Now that I have them shuffled, this is where the true genius of quantum entanglement comes into play. In quantum entanglement, every possible outcome happens in its own universe, but within each one, entangled particles stay perfectly correlated. So if the options are outcome A or B, you'll never get some random outcome C. Now, if I open one hand and reveal it to be red, then I automatically know that the other hand will be blue, and I'm guaranteed not to get a random color like yellow.
What does this mean for you, me, and the average Joe?
Yeah, what does it mean? Maybe Marvel wasn't far off in the idea of many universes, and that there are millions of versions of you in other realities. Maybe, instead of uncovering the history of our universe, we're actually choosing it. Thank you for watching.